candles burning low, lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice everywhere.
Hello everyone, and we're going to get started with this video. So as you already know from the intro, we are focusing on foundations. Now you want to think about the finish that you want when it comes into your foundation. If you want a naturally radiant foundation, if you want a matte foundation, a full coverage foundation. So you want to think about those things before you know which foundation. Okay, so the foundation that I am going to be focusing on is one that everybody's pretty much familiar with, which is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I am in the shade 350, and before I apply the foundation, I am going to use the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer to my face first, because if you watched my video yesterday, you should already know what primers would best suit your needs. So I'm going to use this one because it is moisturizing, and then what I am going to do is focus on this foundation. Primer on. Now it's time to focus on foundation, and like I said, I'm focusing on the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade 350. Now you want to think about how you want to apply your foundation, rather it be with a brush or rather it be with a sponge. Now with the brush, it gives you a more full coverage look, and then with the sponge, in my opinion, it gives you a more natural look. So what I am going to do is on one side of the face, I'm going to apply it with the brush, and on the other side, I'm going to apply it with the sponge. The brush, I am going to be using my Morphe M439 brush, which looks like this brush. And then I'm going to just begin patting it on this side. And you don't want to swipe, you want to pat. Now I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge to apply it to the other side. And this is the side with the sponge. So as you can see, this is more solid and this is more sheer. So as you can see, it's all in the way that you apply your foundation. Rather it be with a sponge or a brush, it is all up to you. So kind of get a feel to see what type of look. A lot of people like the natural look, so they go with the sponge, and then a lot of people like that full coverage look. You know, if you have any scars or you just want your makeup to look flawless throughout the day. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Okay, you guys, so this is all for day 6, which is dealing with foundations, the finishes, and how to apply it. And if you guys have found this informative also, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. And also, make sure you stay tuned for day 7. If you missed the other days, it's okay. I'll have it linked below. And I love you guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye.